These are volunteer seeds. I have no idea what it is. I think they are peppers. This was in my bok choy container. They just came up out of nowhere. I must have reused some soil, and seeds that I thought weren't growing, I emptied into my soil. And so I'm trying to separate them now, because you don't let go of your volunteers, right? You plant them. Oh, can I separate them? I don't know. I'm probably shocking the daylights out of them. More than likely. Oh boy. How do you do this? Y'all know I'm a newbie and I don't know what in the world I'm doing. But I'm going to try to separate these. And they only have one leaf, so I don't know if they're going to be viable or not. I don't know. But I won't know if I don't try, right? Oh God, they're tangled mess. Tangled mess. And I don't want to keep them out too long. Gee whiz. Okay. Ooh. I don't know if this is going to work or not. La 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 la. Oh boy. That's a lot of seeds. That was what did I empty a pack into the dirt, or what the hell did I do? I don't remember. I don't. This is too much. I don't know. And I don't think I'm going to get them all apart. And I think I'm probably doing more damage than good. Okay, that's the best I'm going to do. I'm going to put that in some soil, but let me just show you. There's more. There's freaking more. Did you look? I got to get all those out. Okay. So I'm going to put this in some soil. And I already got this soil right here. I was using it for other things, but why not stick them in here? Right? If I can do this. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, it's falling over. I don't know. Okay, this is going to take too long. I don't know if I have the patience for this. OMG. This is too much. And I don't want to throw volunteers out. But they might get thrown in the garbage. Oh, God. Okay, just so y'all know, I'm talking to my sister Sammy Jo. Sammy Jo, am I doing this right? Or
Listen
what?
to me.
What?
Stick them down further in the hole.
Okay. Stick them down deep. Way down yonder. Okay. Oh my goodness. This is too much. This is way too much. Oh, he wants to fall over. He's not deep enough. He's not deep enough. Pause. Okay. This is crazy. You know, I hate to let these volunteers go. I think they're peppers. Right, Sammy? They look like peppers.
I think they are.
But it looks like I dropped a whole pack of seeds in there, and I know I didn't do that. I don't know what had happened.
When you first started on this gardening journey thing, you lost your mind a little bit there, so.
I did, but I know I didn't drop a whole freaking pack of seeds in some soil. Are you serious? I don't know what happened.
Well, how did they get there? The birds didn't come in there and plant them. They plant them outside. That's how you get your volunteers out there.
I don't know. I don't have an answer. I really don't, because this is wild. And this is only not even half of them. I'm not taking those other ones out tonight.
No.
That's going to be another day. Another project, another day. Oh my gosh.
They look kind of flimsy.
Yeah, very flimsy. Probably because they were so bunched together in between the bok choy, I guess. This is too much work here.
Well, see what happens, right?
What happens?
That's the nicest thing about gardening, right? Is just everything's such a great surprise, right?
Surprise, surprise!
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Okay, I stuck my finger all the way down to the bottom of this pot.
Yeah. Yeah. The roots will branch out, right?
If they survive, they still not standing up.
Yeah, that there one there is kind of flimsy. Chuck it.
Yeah, wait.
That one's gonna
Chuck it.
Yeah, that one's
Chuck it.
chuck it. And you watch tomorrow morning, that'll be standing up like a soldier.
Attention.
Yep.
Okay. Honey bunny, Look, I got so many. All these aren't going to get transplanted. Sorry. Oh, here's a nice healthy one. Look. Look at that one.
Yes. Yeah, take the healthy ones. Because those other ones look like ragamuffins, right?
Yes, ragamuffins. I wanted to say another word, but I'm not going to say it. Which other ones look healthy? Not too many. This is too much. Oh, Sammy Joe, stop it. Okay, I'm just going to put a few more.
Listen, you know what? I love doing stuff like that just because it's so much fun.
It is, but this is crazy. This is too many.
Listen, if those are jalapeno peppers, you are not going to be saying they're too many.
Exactly. If they survive.
Yeah.
If they
Look
survive.
at that pretty bracelet on your wrist.
You like that?
Nice.
Thank you.
I love it.
Thank you.
I love it.
I'm making a big batch of them along with the necklaces that I'll be selling.
Nasty.
Thank you. That video will be coming soon.
Very nice.
Okay. Here's a clump of them. Let's separate. Oh. Too many. These roots are really together. Oh. Poor things. Poor little tink tink.
I would say, you poor little thing. I'm sorry.
Right. Poor little tink tink. Okay. Oh, that one fell. What is that? I can get maybe 5 or 6 more in here, and it's a wrap. Oh, not deep enough. Okay.
Now, see, at all of those, right?
Yeah.
Even if only 3 survived.
Right.
At least it's 3, right?
Okay. 3 is better than
Because,
9. 3 is better than none?
Yeah, because I don't know if you have to plant your peppers way beforehand. Like, do you have enough time to just plant a pepper outside?
Oh, no. They have to start early because I can't plant anything out there until, what, May 10th, and it takes peppers forever, so I started them inside. Look, I started them inside, right? If that's what these are.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to get one more in there. Now, I know when I water these, they're going to fall all over.
Do you have a...
Sprayer?
Do you have
Spray them?
do you have a fan?
I do.
Just put it, don't put it right on top of them, but that'll help them strengthen up a little bit, right?
Right. But how do I water them? Should I just mist them for right now? I know they need water, but I know they're going to fall all over everywhere. Oh, Jesus.
You got holes in that?
Oh. Yes.
Okay, then just get a pan. No, don't do that there. Just set it in a pan of water.
Okay.
Get one of your baking pans and fill that with water and then set it up.
Oh, my God. All those are left. What do I do? Oh, my God. I'm not planting those. Jesus.
That one looks pretty healthy there.
Where? This?
Yeah, is that healthy?
Oh, my God.
That looks pretty good. I'm so pathetic.
This is nuts.
We gotta save them. We
gotta
gotta
save them. Here we come to save the day. Okay, that's it. That's it. Sorry, y'all. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Because I got to do those other ones. Not today, but I got to get those out of there. So, I'll get something.
Set them in water.
Okay.
Set them in water and water them
from the bottom.
Up.
Okay. Peace and love, y'all. Wish me luck. We're going to see what happens. Okay? Okay. Thank you for watching. Pray for these. Pray for these. Whoa, I think that top's not on. Alrighty then. So how much water?
I would fill that dish up as much as I could.
Really?
Well, see, I can't tell how big that dish is, right? But you want that dirt to be wet, right?
Yeah. Is that enough?
Yeah. So when that dirt takes that up, right? Then check to see if the ground is if the dirt's moist, and if it's not moist enough, then put some more in.
Okay. All right. I am done. We'll see. I'll let that soak up, and I'm done. I'm done again, y'all. I'm done.